Hello students, in previous video we have seen matrix addition and scalar multiplication. In this video we are going to see dot product and matrix multiplication. Dot product and matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. First we see definition of dot product. Definition: the dot product or inner product of two n vectors x bar and y bar is defined to be the sum of products of the corresponding entry. Thus, if x bar is equal to x1, x2 and so on up to xn, and y bar is equal to y1, y2 and so on up to yn, then dot product of x bar and y bar is denoted by x bar dot y bar and is given by x bar dot y bar is equal to x1 into y1. See here, what is dot product? Dot product of two n vectors x bar and y bar is defined to be the sum of products of the corresponding entry. Therefore, dot product of x bar dot y bar is equal to, it is nothing but the sum of product of corresponding entry. Therefore, dot product is equal to x1 into y1 plus x2 into y2 plus and so on up to xn into y2. xn into yn. This can be written as summation I runs from 1 to n xi yi. Suppose call this equation number 1. Similarly, if x bar and y bar are n vectors, written as 1 by n matrix, then the dot product x bar dot y bar is given in equation 1. Similarly, if x bar and y bar are n vectors means it written as 1 by n matrix, means number of rows is 1 and number of columns are n. Then the dot product of x bar dot y bar is given in as equation 1. Next, start the set of all n vectors with real entries usually denoted by Rn. Let us see some examples on dot product. First example, for example, the dot product of a bar is equals to 3 minus 2 1 4, b bar and b bar is equals to 1 minus 1 4 minus 2 is a bar dot b bar is equals to, dot product is nothing but the sum of the corresponding entries. Therefore, here we have to find dot product of a bar into b bar. Dot product is nothing but the sum of the product of the corresponding entries. Therefore, dot product of a bar and b bar is equals to 3 into 1 plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2, which is equals to 3 plus minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 plus 4 minus 8, which is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Therefore, dot product of a and b is equals to 1. Second example is, let x bar is equals to 1 minus matrix 1 minus 1 a 2 and y bar is equals to matrix 2 1 3 4 if x bar dot y bar is equals to 5, then find if x bar dot bar is equals to dot y bar is equals to 5, then find a. Here what we have given, x bar is equals to this matrix and y bar is equals to this matrix, and we have also given that x bar dot y bar is equals to 5. Then we have to find a. What we have? We have x bar dot y bar is equals to, first we find x bar into y bar, x bar dot y bar. By definition, it is nothing but the sum of the product of corresponding entries, that is 2 into 1 or 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 plus a into 1 plus 2 into plus A into 3 plus 2 into 4. And in problem we have given that this dot product is nothing but 5. Therefore, compute this. We get 2 into 1 is 2 plus minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 3a plus 8 is equals to 5. Therefore, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 3a plus 8 is equals to 5. Therefore, 3a plus 9 is equals to 5. Therefore, 3a is equals to minus 4. Since in here is 9, therefore 3a is equals to minus 4. Therefore, a is equals to minus 4 by 3. Let us see next definition, matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. If A is n by n matrix, if A is n by n matrix and B is n by p matrix, then the product of A and B denoted by AB is the n by p matrix whose entries are determined as follows. To find I, j entry of AB, single out ith row of A and jth column of B, then multiply the corresponding entries from ith row of A and jth column of matrix B and add up the resulting products. Full stop. Do this for 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to M, and 1 is less than or equal to J is less than or equal to P, to obtain all entries of AB. In symbol, if A is equals to matrix Aij and B is equals to matrix Bij is, if A is equals to matrix, Aij is m by n matrix and B is equals to matrix Bij is n by p matrix, then the product AB is the m by p matrix, C is equals to matrix Cij, where Cij is equals to AI1 B1j plus AI2 B2j plus and so on up to AIN BNJ, which is equals to summation runs from k runs to 1 AIK into BKJ, where 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to M, comma 1 is less than or equal to J is less than or equal to N. Suppose call this equation number star. Equation star shows that ijth entry in the product matrix AB. See here, what is matrix multiplication? If A is m by n matrix and B is n by p matrix, then the product of A and B is denoted by A into B, that is AB is the m by p matrix, whose entries are determined as follows. To find the ijth entry of AB, single out ith row of A and jth column of B, then multiply the corresponding entries from ith row of A and the jth column of B and add up the resulting product. Do this for 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to M and 1 is less than or equal to J is less than or equal to P to obtain all entries of AB in symbols. See here, if A is equals to matrix Aij is m by n matrix and B is equals to matrix Bij is n by p matrix, then the product AB is the m by p matrix C is equals to matrix Cij, where Cij is equals to, Cij means entry in ith row and jth column of matrix C, which is nothing but the product of ith row of A and jth column of B. Hence, we get summation k runs from 1 to n Aik Bkj. That is, equation star shows that means Cij is nothing but the ijth entry in the product matrix AB. From equation star, we can say that ith row of A into jth column of B, ith row of A into jth column of B is equals to summation k runs from 1 to n AIK into BKJ. Let us take one note. The product of A and B is defined. The product of A and B is defined only when the number of rows in B is equal to number of columns in A or of A. That is, size of A is m by n and size of B is n by p. After multiplying A and B, we get the matrix of size m by p. That for this we draw column draw. For this we draw row of matrix and for this we draw column of A and rows of B, which is equals to size of AB, which is equals to m by p. Let us take one example on product matrix or multiplication of matrix. Let A is equal to matrix 4 1 2 0 6 minus 2. A is equals to matrix 4 1 2 0 6 minus 2. B is equals to 4 3 4 minus 1 0 minus 3 2 5 8. Find the product matrix. A B. Solution. In this problem, we have to multiply matrix A into matrix B. A into B is equals to matrix A is 4 1 2 0 6 minus 2 into B. Matrix B is 4 3 4 minus 1 0 minus 3 2 5 8, which is equals to, here we have to find 1/1 entry of AB. For this we have to multiply the corresponding entries from first row of A and first column of B and add them. That is 4 into 4 plus 1 into minus 2, 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. For second entry, means first 1/2 entry of product AB is nothing but the product of corresponding entries in first row of A and second column of B. That is 4 into 3 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 5, 10. Third entry, that is 1/3 entry of AB. For this 1/3 entry, we have to multiply the corresponding product of first row of A and third column of B. That is 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 16 plus minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 8 into 2, 16. Next entry is 2/1 entry. For this we have to multiply corresponding entries of second row of A and first column of B. 0 into 4, 0, 6 into minus 1, minus 6, minus 2 in, that means 2 into 2, 4, minus 4. Next entry is 2/2 entry of AB. For this we have to multiply second row of A into second column of B. 0 into 3, it is 0, 0 into 6 plus 0, minus 2 into 5, minus 10. And last entry is 2/3 entry of product AB. For this we have to multiply corresponding entries of second row of A and third column of B. 0 into 4, 0 plus minus 3 into 6, 18 minus 16, which is equals to, see here, which is equals to matrix 4 into 4, 16, 16 minus 1, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Again 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 10, 22, 16 plus 16, 32, 32 minus 3, 29. Here minus 6 minus 4 minus 10, this is minus 10, and minus 16 minus 18 minus 34. Let us take second example. Let A is equals to matrix minus 2, 1, 4, 3. B is equals to matrix 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 4. Then A into B is equals to 1/1 entry of this product matrix is, for this we have to multiply the corresponding entries of first row of A and first column of B and add them. That is minus 2 into 1 plus 2. For next entry we have to multiply the corresponding entries of first row of A and second column of B. That is minus 2 into 0, 0 plus 3. For next entry we have to multiply corresponding entries of first row of A and third column of B. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. For next entry, 4 into 1 is 4, plus 3 into 2 is 6. For next entry, that is 2th entry of product AB. For this we have to multiply corresponding entries of second row of A and second column of B and add them. 4 into 0, 0 plus 9, 3 into 3, 9. For next entry, 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4 plus minus 4 into 3, minus 12, which is nothing but minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 3, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 4 plus 6, 10, and 9 plus 0, 9, minus 12 minus 4 is equals to minus 60. See here, but product BA is not defined. Is not defined. Why this is? Because size of matrix B is, number of row is 2, number of columns are 3. Size of matrix B is 2 by 3 and size of matrix A is 2 by 2. That is, number of columns in B are not equal to number of rows in A. Therefore, product BA is not defined. For product, you have to always remember that suppose you have to find the product of matrix A into B. For this, you have to always remember that the number of columns in A is equals to number of rows in B. Let us take note. First note, for this, let A be m by n matrix and let A be m by n and capital B be n by C matrix. Matrix C. First, AB product is defined. AB product is defined, but BA need not be defined. Why this is? Because n is not equal to m is not equal to p. But BA need not be defined in general context. This happens if m is not equal to p. Second note, if product BA is defined means m is equals to p, then in this case matrix AB is of size m by n and matrix BA is of size n by n, that is even AB and BA are defined, even AB and BA are defined, even AB and BA are defined, but AB and BA are of different size, are of different sizes, are of different sizes. See here, if AB defined means, see here, size of matrix is m by n and size of matrix is n by p. BA defined, when BA is defined when m is equals to p. That means we have to multiply B into A. Size of matrix is n by p and size of A is m by n. When this product is defined when number of columns in B equals to number of rows in A. Therefore, we say that BA is defined means m is equals to p. In this case, AB is of the size AB. When m is equals to p, then it means it is equals to m. Then size of AB is m by m and BA is of size n by n. That is, AB and BA are defined, but AB and BA are of different sizes. Let us take next note 3. It is possible that AB and BA may be of the same size, This happens when this happens if obviously m is equals to n is equals to p and they may be equal or may not be equal. And last one is, it is possible that AB and BA are of same size, but AB may not be equal to BA. See here, what is a fourth note? It is possible that AB and BA are of same size, but AB may not be equal to BA. For example, let matrix A is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3 and B is equal to matrix 2, 0, 1, 3. Then A into B. What is A into B? For first entry, that is 1, 1 entry of AB, we have to multiply the corresponding entries of first row and first row of A and first column of B and add them. That is 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1, 2, For second entry we have to multiply first row of A and second column of B, that is 1 into 0 0 plus 2 into 3 6. Now for the next entry we have to multiply second row of A and first column of B and add them. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 3. Next minus 1 into 0 plus 9, which is equals to 4 6 1 9, and B into A is equals to B into A. That means we have to multiply B into A. For this, first entry is nothing but first row, we have to multiply corresponding entries of first row of B into first column of A. That means 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2, and 0 into minus 1, 0. It is 2. Next entry we will get 4. Next entry is minus 2 and last entry is 11. Here we observe that AB is not equals to BA. See here, A and B are of same size, that is size of A and B is 2 by 2, but product AB is not equals to product BA. So we will stop here. In next video we will see some more examples on matrix multiplication and dot product. Thank you.